Bypassing the character AI filter is a topic of interest for users looking to explore unrestricted interactions. The filter in character AI typically works to maintain safe, community-friendly conversations by blocking specific language, themes, or responses that fall outside of the platform's guidelines. However, some users seek ways to go beyond these limitations for various reasons, such as enhancing the depth or realism of their AI interactions. One method people try involves rephrasing or substituting specific terms. Instead of using restricted words directly, users sometimes employ synonyms or coded language that still conveys the intended message without triggering the filter. Another approach is to add extra context to the conversation, which can make certain interactions feel more natural or believable without necessarily breaching the platform's standards. Advanced users may also experiment with subtle narrative tricks, like introducing broader themes or indirect references, which allows for a more flexible interaction while staying within guidelines. However, it's important to remember that circumventing filters can carry risks. Responsible use of AI, alongside respect for platform policies, encourages safe and constructive conversations. While the urge to bypass filters exists, a better experience often comes from working within the platform's intended framework for creative interaction.